Okay, what we have here is the vacuum booster and master cylinder off of my 55 Buick Century, and I've completely rebuilt the master unit here, the booster. I had to match up some O-rings and stuff, but I was able to buy a kit. Some parts are not available. Unfortunately, the ones that I couldn't get were reusable. I have it bolted to my cross member of my frame. And what I'm attempting to do here is to test the unit to make sure it works before I put it on the car. What I have here is the reservoir, the actual reservoir, and I made up a dummy tube here to connect the two together. This is the actual junction where all the lines go from the master cylinder. The main line comes here, and these would be distributed to the front and rear brakes. I just have one line connected here that goes to it's a drum and spindle assembly off of the blue and white car that I parted out. This here is a vacuum check valve, so that when the engine shut off, this will still hold vacuum into the tank over here, which also mounts on the frame behind the vacuum booster, and that will retain some vacuum the engine were to die. What I've done here is I have a high vac evacuator pump made for air conditioning. I just teed it into the check valve, and I have it teed in here. I also put in a vacuum gauge just to see that I have vacuum, and I have it filled full of silicone brake fluid, and I've bled it, and I've got all the air out of it, so now we can go ahead and test it. Okay, what we got here, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and get some vacuum built up. Building up vacuum. Okay, you see it is holding a vacuum, and it'll hold that for several hours. So you can see the brakes are not on right now. Move that. But as soon as I push in on this rod, see that now I can't move it, and my vacuum has dropped somewhat. I'll do it again. See how the vacuum drops each time. Once the brakes are holding, release, and I can move that. Of course, this is an old drum, so there's a little bit of resistance anyway. That's not been rebuilt. By pushing in, so it is functioning, and that was the goal, to make sure it worked before I put it in the car.